how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day or night or whatever it is, wherever you may be. I figured, hey, what better day than to check on some bees than today? Not really. Today's a horrible day to check on some bees. Maybe clean off some entrances if they're blocked, but I figured I might share with you guys how I do my blue on my hives, or on my hive boxes. I think today would be a good day for that. Something to do on the inside. So very good at catching snowflakes on my tongue. Let's go inside and work on some boards. What are you guys waiting on? Trying to turn into a snowman or what? Let's go. Alright, a little warmer and drier in here, but yeah, I went and did some shopping the other day. Found me some boxes at a good deal. These things I picked up from Foley's Russian Bees, unassembled. I only paid $12 for the deeps. You got some nice deep handles here that are cut in. Your finger joints, your box joints, nicely done. And I'll leave the link to his website and his YouTube channel down in the description below. But I just wanted to share with everybody what kind of deal I got. I mean, I think $12 a box, I think that's cheaper than what you could probably make them your own. I might be wrong, but that's all I could find around here, you know. So yeah, check these out. It's got some knots in them. You know, I don't think that's a big deal. They're not loose. They're solid. I think the knots and stuff just add character anyway. There's some nice boxes here. I picked up 10 boxes. Get ready for the spring season, doing splits. We got a roughed up handle there, but you know, not gonna bother me none. Decent boxes here. Finger joints or box joints are done well. They're not pre-drilled like you'd get from some places. Some places their unassembled boxes already come pre-drilled, but whoop whoop, you know, I can do that myself. Now, I'm not really a fan. Well, I'm still pretty new to this, but my idea behind the handles cut in here is just less insulation. I kind of like, you know, just a solid piece of wood there, but you know, you can't beat this price, people. I mean, come on. But yeah, if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share my videos with other people. I greatly appreciate it. Help this channel grow a little bit. But I'm gonna tell you how I get this look on my boxes. First of all these boards, I'll torch them. Take a torch, burn them. That's how I get this wood grain to pop out. And oh, a disclaimer, I'm not trying to promote anybody's products. I'm just sharing what I do to my boxes. But I also do have some affiliate links down in the description below for like Swarm Commander and stuff like that. So it works great. Check it out. It doesn't cost you any extra if you buy something through my affiliate link. The company actually just sends me a small commission. But anyway, back to what I'm going to do with some of these boards. how I get them dyed this color. I use a product called unicorn spit, and I apply it, and I'll show you that here in a minute. And then after I'm done applying this stuff, I'll put some Hellsman's, or Hellsman's, if I'm saying that right, spar urethane on there, and that'll protect the outside. So far it's worked great, but like I said, I've only been doing this for not even a year yet. So and unicorn spit comes in multiple colors. You know, like you got the blue there, which I'm kind of a big fan of this. I really like the blue. Then I picked up the red, and they got multiple colors, and this is kind of like a light blue turquoise. And then I mixed some together, and I kind of got that color there. It's kind of like a purple, but I'm pretty sure this stuff dried up inside. But let's get started, and I'll show you how I do these. All right, so we got her burnt, and then I like to put on some rubber gloves, latex gloves. Then got a squirt bottle here. It's got water in it. I just wet my material down, and I also like to get my rag that I'm going to use a little moist. Grab your unicorn spit. And I'd suggest to everybody to read all the directions, you know, just so you know what you're doing, what you're working with. Just throw it on there. I come over here, get my ends. That easy. Done. That was so satisfying. I think I'm going to do another one. You guys want to see me do another one? Let's do another one. Satisfying. That easy. So that's that. That's how I apply the unicorn spit to my hive boxes to get them looking like they do. I might add, this stuff smells like jasmine, so you don't really have to worry about stinking up your whole house. And you might have noticed I didn't apply the urethane yet, because I actually like to assemble my boxes after I stain them. That way I can get a good coat on these corners. Whoa, my chair went down. But yeah, that way I can get a good coat on my corners. You know, help to protect from the elements a little bit better, I think. But Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll see you later. And in a quick wrap up, this is what it looks like after it's had time to dry. And then this is what it looks like after I applied some urethane. See the difference? And here's some other colors. I hope you all found this video helpful. Have a good day.